How to download Twitter videos to your gallery. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel as well as clicking on that bell icon to be updated if there are new tutorials here. So let's go and head on to our Twitter, and once in your Twitter, if you find a video that you would like to download, here's what you would do. Go and tap on that video. So once you have tapped on that video, tap on that share icon, the bottom right corner right here. And then what you need to do next is go and copy the link of the video, and then go to the browser of your phone. And in your browser, what you need to do is type in Twitter video downloader. And you have a lot of options here for links. It doesn't matter, you can just choose any link, enter and paste the URL of the Twitter video earlier, tap on download, and once it is done loading, if you scroll down, you would see a few buttons that would allow you to download the video for a few formats. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.